Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to split text into two columns in Word. To get started, open your Word file. After that, in the Insert menu, click on Table and select the 2x1 table option. When the table is there, you will go to the Table Design menu. Click on Borders and select the No Border option. Repeat this step for the other available cell. Then, select the table again and go to the Layout menu. Click on AutoFit and then select the Fixed Column Width option. Finally, you can enter text in the cells and use the Tab key to use the second column. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.